Es un proceso muy sencillo, simplemente hay que llenar
When
una
we take time
solicitud.
to listen to
Hay
the
un costo
stories of
mínimo, los
Mario
niños estarán
Magana,
inscritos.
Ruby Alcantara, Aldo Solano, and Alejandro Gonzalez, we can renew our appreciation for an English and Spanish conversation that is 100% American. It's a conversation that reminds us that cultural celebrations like National Hispanic Month matter. Here at the Oregon State University International Summer Camp outside of Salem, Oregon, thousands of young campers are introduced to nature. For most, this is their first camping experience. With the help of wildlife biologists like Scott Hopkins from the Bureau of Land Management, they learn to identify some of the animals found in the forest. And from this initiation into the wild, they leave with new friends and hope for a future that appreciates the Hispanic story.
I've been to other camps, but I've never been to a camp like this one. Usually I'm the only Hispanic, and at this camp I met like people from different cities and towns.
After all, with 50 million plus Hispanics, we really are connected to the conversation of culture.